My project title is Enhance Secure Multi-Party Protocols in Horizontal Distributed Database. This is my company profile. This is the main objective of my project. The mainstay of our protocol is fast distributed mining. The main ingredient of my project is one that computes union of private subsets, and that another test is inclusion of elements held by the one player in a subsets held by the other player. The main that enhanced is privacy, and it is very simpler and it's efficiently in terms of communication rounds and the computational cost. Existing system of my project, the most costly part of my protocol, it is implementation relies upon a cryptographic primitives such as commutative and encryption, oblivious transfer, and hash function. So beyond what is implied by the final output of their own output. Disadvantage of my project is insufficient security, simplicity, and the efficiency are not well in database, not sure in privacy in existing system. Um, it is leaks excess information only to the small number of possibility collection, unlike the protocols that disclose the information also to the some single place. The proposed system of my project is we proposed a protocol for secure mining association rules in horizontal distributed database, which improves the current leading protocols in terms of privacy and efficiency. In our protocol novelty is two main novelties there. Secure multi-party protocol, one that computes a union of private subsets and of each other interacting player holds. Advantage in a proposed system is in my project, the proposed system advantage was in terms of simplicity, efficiency, as well as privacy in a database. In particular, our protocol does not depend on cumulative encryption and oblivious transfer. Then it accesses by horizontal distributed database, provides time efficiency. This is a software requirement and a hardware requirement of my project. And there are 5 modules. One is user module, another also user module. Then last three is admin part. This is an architecture diagram for my project. This is the first module. In first module, the sub module is initial registration. There will be an initial registration to the application. Here we have to do a simple registration. Just we have to give a mail ID and enter the correct captcha in given there in application. After that, the registration link will be sent through our mail ID. Next one is creating account. After receiving a registration, click on to your browser and register a new account. Next one is a confirmation registration. After registering, a confirmation link will be sent to your mail. After confirming that registration, you are eligible to log in your employment of office account. This is a flow diagram for my first module. First is a user. The user will be having an initial registration. Then the candidate have to register. Then after registering, they will get into a login page. After the login, they will get a confirmation registration. This is a home page of my project. This is a user registration. This is a confirmation registration page. After getting confirmation, you have to log in to page. The user have login, a name and password, and getting into the next home page after successful completion. This is the second module. In second module, the registration academic details. There will be a academic detail registration. After successful login, the user again have to register their academic details. Make sure that you are providing a valid certificate number in the asked field. The user from a different circle correctly choose their circle. Updating academic details, user can maintain their up to date by updating their records till PG. Renewal, every user has expired date for their registration account. User can review through the renewal option. This is a flow diagram for second module. This is the home page. After successful login, you will get a home page like this. Then we have to register for 10th details. The registration date and expiry date will be automatically entered. After registration 10th, you will get a successful registration link. After that, you have to update your 12th registration, then update diploma registration, then update your UG registration, then update your PG registration. After that, there will be a renewal page. Then we're going to see a third module, that is creating association rules. For data mining, the admin will admin will follow the FDMA algorithm by making association rule. The union of all private subset will be done using the association rules. In our application, the rule formed the eligibility of candidate for the job. This now the login as admin. Here login is admin have to log in a page. Hi, this is a admin homepage. Now we're going to see a view a normal records. This is a fourth module. Here we are doing a secure storing private of union subsets. These subsets will be encrypted at earlier process when the user does the registration process. It made securely by adding the fake item sets so that the original count may be relayed to any other third party. Then it will be stored in different database. The requested to review a secure mining data. The respective circle admin want to view the mine data as the admin provide the circle's key retrieve the data. This is a flow diagram. This is the normal view records. The candidate details will be viewed by here, this page. This secured data mining, choosing a number of combination to form association rules and do the data mining. After successful secure data mining, this home page will be given. This is a fifth module. Here we have review the original data. After getting the original account, the data will be decrypted and admin will send mail to candidates for interview. The user can also see this account by clicking the shop tag. This is a flow diagram. After that, you will be getting this page. The view a secure record, choose a circle and enter the circle password. After that, select the job ID. Then we'll be see the candidate details, which is encrypted data, then decrypted data. Then here we can send the interview call letter. These are tables. This is a UML diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram. It's a sequence diagram, collaboration diagram. It's a future scope. Then it's a conclusion. My conclusion, we proposed a protocol for secure mining association rules in Amazon distributed database that improves significantly upon a current leading protocol in terms of privacy and efficiency. And it's a protocol that tests the inclusion of an element held by one player and in a subsets held by the other player. Now I'm going to show demo of my project. This is a home page of my project. Now we have to register here. There will be a general registration will be done by here. After registering, the registration successful pop-up message will be appeared here. After that, we have get to confirmation registration. So here we'll be getting the confirmation link. Here we are getting into a confirmation. To click confirmation. Now we have to go for a login page. The candidate enter in their going to register their academic details. You have to register. There will be a pop-up message. Your record is successfully registered and mail is sent to regarding it. Now again I have to go for a home page. Then you have to register a 12th registration. Everything will be entered. You just register a correct certification number. Then register. Then update all update a diploma certificate number. Registration. Again update UG. Can go for home page. PG certification number. After all, you have to renewal for this. So your expiry date as valid. After expiry date, if you are given means, it will give a pop-up message. A successful renewal has been done. Okay. Then now I have to log out. Now admin has a login page. This is our admin home page. Here we can view the normal records of a candidate by choosing a circle. So we can view the candidate registration, all the registration. Now we can do a secure mining by choosing the combinations. So do a secure mining. So data mining successfully done by using association rule. After that, we can view a secured record. Here we have to choose a circle. They will be displaying a job ID. After choosing the job ID, the data will be displayed. So there were 4 datas of a candidate. This is a decrypt data. This is a encrypted data. Now we can send a interview call letter to these people. So the interview call letter has been successfully sent to all the shortlisted candidates. Okay. Then now press on. So here we can see the mail from the Department of Employment Office. The interview call is sent to the persons. So log out. Then register home page. Thank you.